Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of my hands-on PLC and HMI programming series. We are going to be diving into real-world automation. In this episode, you'll be learning how to connect your PC to a Siemens PLC using TI portal and Ethernet cable. Alright, after you've opened your TI portal, you are going to click on Create New Project View. You are going to give your project a name. I'm going to give mine Spark 1. From that, you click on Create. After that, you are going to click on Open the project view. So once you click on that, the interface of the TI portal will pop up. On the left hand side, which is the project tree, you have to add a new device. So once you click on new device, click on the controller, and you have to know the specific PLC you are using. The one I'm using here is Semantic ET200 CPU. The model I'm using here is SP. You expand that. So for you to be on the safer side, you have to dictate the actual PLC you are using. Since I'm using unspecified SP, once you expand that, click on that, and you have to wait for a few seconds. The PLC will appear, but we haven't get the actual PLC. What you need to do here, you have to dictate, like I've said earlier. So click on the dictate. We are going to be using Ethernet cable. So from here, you are going to connect your Ethernet cable with the PLC. Once you've done that, you just have to click on search. This is the device PLC1, the device type, that is the CPU. This is the address of my base module. You click on dictate. So after that, you have to click on connect. So once you've done that, you have to wait for a few seconds. So here, PLC data protection, but since this is for learning, I just have to remove the protection in order for me to be able to run programs smoothly. But if you are dealing with real scenario, you have to protect your program. Since this one is for learning purpose, you just have to leave that and click on next. Also remove the secure Ethernet HMI, click on next. And here, access level without password, you have to change this one to full access include fail safe. So no protection. You click on that and click on finish. From that, you are going to compile what you've done. After compile, you can check if what you've done is right or wrong. As you can see from these properties now, from the info, you can see compiling finish 0 and warning 1. The warning does not really matter. So once you click there, you can easily download to device. The meaning of download to device is that what you've done, you want to download it to the PLC on the base unit. So once you click on that, you are going to wait for a few seconds. So you have to search again, same procedure to the previous one. Here now you are not dictating, you want to load everything you've done on the TI portal to the PLC on the base module. Once you click on load, you are going to click on continue without synchronization. Once you click on that, and you can see now this will overwrite the previous program on the PLC. After that, you click on finish. Once that is done, you can see from the info now, loading complete, error 0 and warning 0. For you to know if what you've done is correct, you have to go online. So you click on go online. Once you go online, there's something you need to check if you'll be able to run your program smoothly or not. On the project tree by the left hand side, you see this green. Once you have all this green, that means your program is correct. You have everything is marked green. And if eventually you see another color, maybe yellow or amber, that means something is wrong with your PLC or your computer or your connection. So this is the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and also leave some feedback at the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Thank you.